ఉద్యోగ భద్రత కోసం సంఘీభావం గ్రహాధ్యక్ష శాఖలు శర్మా మేడం గారు సంఘీభావం జరపాలి. శర్మారెడ్డి గారి నాయకత్వం, పులిమెట్ట గారి నాయకత్వం, పులిమెట్ట గారి నాయకత్వం, శర్మారెడ్డి గారి నాయకత్వం. విశాఖ ఉక్కు, విశాఖ ఉక్కు
అంతవరకు మా పడికి కూడా వస్తుండ్రు. ఏదో మేడం గారు వచ్చారు.
The steel plant was a result of the sacrifice of 32 lives. The steel plant has been given by the Congress party, by the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. There were plans made back then to take away the plant to some neighboring states. It was then the Congress party leaders, including Amrut Rao, who sat for fast unto death to save the Vizag steel plant and to save the people of Uttarandhra. It is again now, at a time when every party is ditching the people of Andhra Pradesh, at a time when every party is not caring for the rights of people of Andhra Pradesh, it is only the Congress party and again Sharmilamma who came here. She sat for fast unto death. But this is what the police do. But this is what the governments do. The Kotami government, the alliance government, before the elections have promised to fight for the people of Andhra Pradesh, to fight for steel plant. But what have we done after the elections? The promises have gone into the air. They've built castles in the air before the elections. Where are the leaders right now? This is our right to protest. This is a democracy. This is not an autocracy. We are fighting at a time when no party is concerned about the rights of the steel plant, is concerned about the steel plant. It is at this time Congress party who has given the steel plant is fighting to save the steel plant. This is our democratic right. Who are you to arrest us? Who are you to arrest our leader? All the Congress party cadre and the leaders demand the release of our leader Sharmilamma. The demand is she has to be brought back here. We will sit here and continue to protest until Prime Minister Modi takes back the promise, takes back the word saying that there shall be no privatization.